Hi, I'm Dr. Shirley Caruso. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a software simulation video, demo, assessment, and training. Video and demo simulations are used for sit-back-and-watch lessons of the procedures themselves. Training is used to help students practice the procedure, and assessment is used to test the students' skills as they perform every step themselves. For this project, you will need 4 different title slides for the video, demo, training, and assessment, a screen capture of each of the types of recording, and narration for each title slide and the video itself. Let's head on over to Captivate 2017 to get started. For this demonstration, I'm going to choose a new blank project. I'm going to take a look at the themes to see if I want to apply a theme to my project. And I'm going to apply this theme. And I'm going to double click here. The software that I am going to demonstrate is a feature of Notepad. So here I'm going to say page orientation in Notepad. And I'm going to add a new blank slide. And I am going to insert a title for this slide. And it's going to be called Video. And I'd like to make this larger. And I am going to narrate this slide, so I have to go up to Window to view the timeline. And what I would like to do is add notes. So I'm also going to go up to Window, and I'm going to view the slide notes. And I'm going to add my narration here, and what I'm going to say is the following is a video software simulation of the page orientation menu in Notepad. So now that I have that, I can go ahead and record my audio for this slide. The following is a video software simulation of the page orientation menu in Notepad. I'm going to save that here. And I'm going to say yes to this because I would like to extend the display time of my slide to match the audio. Then I can go ahead and close, and I can see here that the audio has been added. So my next step is to add a new slide, and this time I'm going to add a video demo. And I've already opened Notepad. I have it here. So I'm ready to capture that video demo. And I'm going to say that I would like this to appear after slide 2. And remember, your video has to have the narration. You may choose to use Notepad for your software simulation, or you may choose to use some other feature of a software program. So as you can see here that you can select the window that you would like to record, and I am going to record the Untitled Notepad. And I am going to do a video demo with narration, so you have to select which microphone you are using. And then you can go ahead and record the steps that you would like the learner to learn for the simulation. To change the orientation in Notepad, select File, Page Setup, and under the Orientation menu, select the orientation you desire, and then say OK. To end the recording, notice that I clicked on the Captivate icon in my Systems tray. Notice also that I have a slide with the video inserted in my presentation. I can preview the video. To change the orientation in Notepad, select File, Page Setup, and out of the orientation, select the orientation you desire, and then save it. Now I'm going to add some more slides in my show to represent the different types of simulations I'm going to demonstrate in this tutorial. So I'm going to copy this slide and then I am going to paste the slide and drag it down here. And I'm going to, instead of calling this video, the next thing I have to do is a demo. So on my narration, I'm going to change this to say the following is a demo software simulation. I'm going to click on the audio and remove it because I have to re-record it to say demo. The following is a demo software simulation of the page orientation menu in Notepad. So I'm going to save that. Notice that I have my new recording. I'm going to go up to Slide, and this time I am going to choose Software Simulation. I would like it to appear after the slide 4. The mode I am choosing is Demo, and I am not recording narration. This is a sit back and watch the demonstration. And then I can just go ahead and record. And since I'm not recording narration, all I have to do is click the steps. Notice that I clicked the Captivate icon in my system tray to stop the recording. Also notice that now I actually have 3 more slides in my show that have step-by-step clicks recorded of the process. Now let's copy this slide paste it at the end, change this to say training, you're going to re-record so that this says this is a training software simulation. And this time, you would delete the current audio so that you can re-record. I'm not going to do it because I'm confident that you know how to re-record. Then this time I'm going to insert a new slide, software simulation, after slide 11. This is going to be a training with no narration, and I'm going to record those same steps. After I'm finished recording, I'm going to click on the Captivate icon in my systems tray. And you can see that I now have slides in my show here. Now there's a difference between the demo and the video. Those are just sit back and watch. Once you get into the training, it actually prompts you to click on the various things so that you can go through the process yourself. So I'm going to preview from this slide so that you can see. It's saying that I have to select the page setup, so it's teaching me to do that. And once I'm here, it tells me to select Portrait, and then it prompts me to click OK. So it's actually having me practice the steps. So now we have, so far in our show, we have a video, we have a demo, we have a training, and now we are ready for the assessment. So I'm going to copy this slide. I'm going to paste it here. Making sure it's the last slide in my show. I'm going to title this assessment. I'm going to re-record this slide so that this says this is an assessment of the software simulation. On each of these slides, you could also include pictures of the trainer. I have added some assets, but you can look at the different assets by going through these menus. Maybe you will also want to add on your recording something like, "Are you ready?" to show what you know. So some type of encouragement for the learner. And of course, you would record your audio narration here. And when you're ready, you would choose to add software simulation after the last slide. And this time, you are going to select assessment, no narration. And you will record those same steps. When you're finished recording, also clicking the Captivate icon in your system's tray. And now we can see there is a series of slides that have been added in. We can preview them. And this time, I have to figure out what to do. If I am incorrect, I'm going to get some prompts of what I should do. Lastly, you would save your project. To place on your disk where you have been saving your projects all along. And if you are happy with how your project is and you've checked that you have included everything from the syllabus, you would then publish. You are going to publish as HTML. So make sure you click HTML5 here. You are going to export it as a PDF. Sometimes you have to toggle between these two so that you get the publish button to appear, but make sure you have export PDF, publish, And then you can check your file to see that it is published in a PDF form, and it has here. And you can just scroll through to see how everything is looking. You can start it from the beginning. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. I'll see you soon.